Hey, quick question before we start today. Do you have a good friend? Someone you really trust?
Ooh, I like this already.
Think about that person right now. What do you like about them? Are they funny? Are they kind? Do they always listen to you?
Because today, we are talking all about friendship. What makes a good friend? And trust me, this is a topic everyone has something to say about.
Even us. Grace and I have some stories today.
Good ones and maybe not so good ones.
Yeah. Both.
Hello and welcome to Totally Talk English. I'm Grace.
And I'm Nick.
We are so happy you are here with us today.
If you're learning English, don't worry. We're going to keep everything simple, natural, and easy to follow.
And today's topic is a really nice one. We're talking about friendship. Specifically, what makes a good friend?
Grace, before we start, do you consider yourself a good friend?
Okay, that's a hard question. I think yes. I try to be. But I also forget to reply to messages sometimes. So maybe not perfect.
Okay, same. I'm the same. But that's the thing, being a good friend is not about being perfect.
Yes. And if you want to tell us about your friends, leave a comment. We love reading them.
All right. So, what makes a good friend? Grace, let's just start talking. What's the first thing that comes to your mind?
The first thing? Honestly, someone who listens. Not just someone who hears you, but someone who really listens. You know the difference?
Yeah, actually. Tell us more.
Okay, so, hearing is just the sound goes into your ear. But listening means you are paying attention. You care about what the other person is saying.
I love that. Because we all know people who are looking at their phone while you're talking.
Yes. And it doesn't feel good, right? A good friend puts the phone down. They look at you. They say, I hear you.
Okay, so number 1. A good friend listens. What else?
I think they are honest.
Ooh, yes. Say more.
A good friend tells you the truth. Even when it's a little difficult. Like, if you have spinach in your teeth, a good friend tells you.
The spinach test. I love it. But yes, it's true. A real friend doesn't just say yes, everything is great when it's not. They care enough to be honest.
But this is important, they're honest in a kind way. Not mean. Not cruel. Kind and honest.
That's a good point. There's a difference between honest and rude.
Exactly. A good friend says, hey, I think maybe that wasn't a great idea. Not you're so stupid.
Right. So number 2, a good friend is honest. And kind about it. What's number 3 for you?
I think they show up.
What do you mean by show up?
So show up means to be there. To come when someone needs you. Like, not just when things are good. But also when things are hard.
Oh, I really like this one. Because some people are great friends when everything is fun and easy. But when you have a problem, they disappear.
Yes. And that's when you really find out who your true friends are. When life is difficult.
Totally. I've had friends like that. When I was going through something hard, they just weren't there.
And that feels really lonely, right?
It does. So, number 3. A good friend shows up. Especially when it's hard. Okay, I want to share a story. Is that okay?
Yes. I love your stories.
So, a few years ago, I was moving to a new city. New apartment, new job, new everything. And I was really stressed. Really nervous.
Oh, moving is so stressful.
So stressful. And I had this friend, her name is Sarah. She didn't live in my city. She was far away. But she called me every single day that week.
Ah.
Just to check in. Just to say, how are you? Are you okay? Did you find a supermarket yet?
The important questions.
But seriously, she didn't have to do that. She was busy too. But she made time. And that meant everything to me.
That's such a good example. She showed up, even from far away.
Exactly. You don't have to be physically there to be a good friend. Sometimes a message or a phone call is enough.
Okay, I have a story too. A little different.
Tell us.
So I had a friend, let's call her Bella. And Bella and I were very close for a long time. We talked every day. We went everywhere together.
Sounds like a great friendship.
It was. But then, one day, I made a mistake. I said something that hurt her feelings. I didn't mean to, but I did.
Oh no. What happened?
So I said sorry. A real sorry. Not I'm sorry you felt that way. But a real, I was wrong. I'm sorry.
That's important. There's a big difference.
Yes. And Bella, she listened. She told me how she felt. We talked about it honestly. And after that? Our friendship was actually stronger.
Wow. So the problem made you closer?
It did. Because we were both honest. And we both cared enough to fix it.
That's beautiful. And I think it shows something really important. Good friends can have problems too. It's not about never fighting. It's about how you handle it.
Exactly. Every friendship has hard moments. That's normal. But good friends work through it together.
Okay. Let's stop for a moment. We've used some really useful words and phrases today. Let's go through them together.
Yes. And listeners, try to repeat after us. It really helps.
First word. Trust. Trust, trust. When you trust someone, you believe they are good and honest. For example, I trust my friend Grace.
Ah. I trust you too, Nick. Repeat after me, trust.
Good. Next, honest. Honest, honest. When you are honest, you tell the truth. A good friend is honest.
Repeat, honest. Next one is my favorite phrase from today, show up. 2 words. Show up. It means to be there for someone. To come when they need you. My friend showed up when I needed help.
Repeat show up. Okay, one more. Check in. Check in means to contact someone to see how they are doing. She called me every day to check in.
You can check in with a message, a call, even a voice note. Repeat, check in.
Great job, everyone. Those 4 words: trust, honest, show up, check in. Remember them, they're very useful in real life.
Okay, let's practice using these words in real conversations. Nick, I'll say a sentence, you respond naturally. Like a real conversation.
Sure, let's go.
Do you have someone you really trust?
Yes. My friend Marcus. I've known him for 10 years. I can tell him anything. He never judges me.
That's so nice. And is he honest with you?
Very honest. Sometimes too honest. But I like it. I always know what he really thinks.
Does he show up when you need him?
Always. One time I was sick, really sick, in bed for a week. He came to my apartment with soup and medicine. I didn't even ask. He just showed up.
That is the definition of a good friend right there.
Okay, your turn. Tell me about one of your friends.
Okay. My friend Layla. She is amazing. She always checks in on me, especially when I'm busy and stressed. She'll send a message, "Hey, are you okay? Don't forget to eat."
Don't forget to eat. That's so sweet.
Right? Small thing, but it makes such a big difference.
It really does. Sometimes it's the small things that show someone really cares.
Yes. And listeners, think about your friends now. What small thing do they do that shows they care? Write it in the comments, we really want to know.
Alright. Roleplay time. This is one of my favorite parts.
Mine too. So listeners, in this section, we act out a small conversation. Pay attention to the words we use. You can practice this with your friends too.
Today's situation. Grace's friend is feeling sad and a bit lonely. Grace is being a good friend in checking in. Ready, Grace?
Ready. Hey. I was just thinking about you. How are you doing?
Oh, hi. I'm okay, I guess. Just a little tired.
A little tired, or actually tired? Be honest with me.
Okay. I've had a rough week. I just feel a bit lonely, to be honest.
I'm really glad you told me that. Do you want to talk about it?
I don't know. Maybe. I just feel like everything is a lot right now.
I hear you. That sounds really hard. Hey, I'm free this evening. Do you want to come over? We can watch something and just hang out. No pressure.
Really? You don't mind?
Of course not. That's what I'm here for. You don't have to go through things alone, okay?
Thank you. That actually means a lot.
Always. See you tonight.
Did you notice what Grace did there?
Tell them.
She didn't just say "Are you okay?" and move on. She noticed something was wrong. She asked again. She listened. And then she offered help, but without pressure. No pressure means you don't have to if you don't want to.
Yes. A good friend doesn't force you. They offer. And they make you feel safe.
And she said something really important. You don't have to go through things alone. I love that phrase.
Listeners, let's say it together, you don't have to go through things alone.
Beautiful. Keep that one.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. What did we learn today?
So, what makes a good friend?
Number 1. A good friend listens. Really listens. Not just hears.
Number 2. A good friend is honest. But kind about it.
Number 3. A good friend shows up. Especially when life is hard.
And from our stories, good friends also check in, even in small ways. And when there's a problem, they work through it together.
Friendship is not about being perfect. It's about being real. Being kind. Being there.
Well said, Grace.
Thank you, I try.
Alright, before we go, our question of the day.
We ask you a question, you answer in the comments. This is great for your English practice, because you're writing in English.
Today's question is:
what is one thing a friend has done that made you feel really supported?
It can be big or small. Maybe they brought you soup. Maybe they sent a message at the right moment. Maybe they just listened.
Tell us in the comments below. We read every single one. And who knows, your answer might inspire someone else today.
That's it for today's episode of Totally Talk English with Grace and Nick.
Thank you so much for being here with us today. You are the reason we make this podcast, and we really mean that.
If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with someone who is learning English. And give us a like. It really helps us reach more people.
And if you're new here, welcome. Subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. Bye everyone.
See you next time.